Hi everyone, Rize here, and in this video I'm going to show you how to turn one pineapple crown into 4 plants. So the method here is actually quite easy, so you can do this with any pineapple crown that you acquire, and eventually you'll have 4 established plants. So once you remove your crown from your pineapple, you want to place it in a cup with water and wait a few months for the roots to develop. So once the roots are a couple centimeters or 1 to 2 inches, you want to divide the crown into 4 pieces, making sure that each piece has some roots. And all you want to do is just place them in some potting mix or any good drainage soil that you have. And just give it a good soak. Depending on weather conditions, give it a few weeks to a few months, you will have some new sprouts developing in between the leaves. And we're going to give it another month to grow, and here we are. At this stage they've grown enough roots and we are safe to transplant them into a larger pot. And we'll use the same soil medium, which is this potting mix. Unless the roots are root bound, you don't really have to break up the roots at the bottom. And there we go. Give it another good soaking. And we'll check back after a few months. And here we have the plants a lot larger and more established. At this stage you can go plant them anywhere you want. Place them in a large pot or in your garden bed or even in the ground. It's totally up to you. And if it's your first time growing pineapples, they usually take 2 years before they fruit. So until then, you want to get these guys nice and big to develop a nice large pineapple. And there you go. That's how you get 4 plants from one pineapple crown. I hope you enjoyed this video and thanks for watching.